give you two ways. There's more, but I'm going to give you 2 ways today to display our faith in such a way that it'll make a mark and impress other people. Here's the 2 ways. Number 1, it's through prayer. Believe it or not, through prayer. And the second is through actions. And so a real quick question to ask yourself about this whole displaying your faith through prayer. 2 quick points. Number 1, do people ever see you pray? Do people ever see me pray? Moms, dads, aunts, uncles, grandpas and grandmas, older siblings, let me just tell you something. Even the simplest of prayer for food or for help or for guidance is a display of faith and helps reorient anybody around you that you are a person who believes that he is a God who answers prayer and can do what it is that you're asking. Does anybody see you even pray? Second thing, what do they hear? I kid you not, as a pastor, sometimes it just blows my mind that people seem to think that what other people want to hear when they pray is eloquence. And so I can hear them like trying to fashion a prayer with eloquence. And it's like, why? What God wants is genuine, from the heart, talk it out. And if you're not into that and you're worried about somebody else, you're already messed up when it comes to prayer. Just let God have it. Talk to him. And if somebody else happens to be listening and they don't like the way you pray, quite honestly, forget about them. It's irrelevant what they think when it comes to your eloquence. Let them see you are genuine. Those are 2 things to always keep in mind when it comes to prayer and the display of prayer through faith. What do people hear? Do they even hear you in the first place? But what do they hear? Do they hear genuine? Or do they hear you trying to just cock something up together to make it sound cool? That's not cool. Be real. As a church, we have a wonderful opportunity as followers to make our mark on this world around us with the way that we believe. But guys, really what it comes down to is this. If you don't believe that God's got the power to be able to do that, chances are you're not going to pray much. So let me remind you of God's power. Paul, when writing to the church in Ephesus, said this: I also pray that you will understand the incredible greatness of God's power for us who believe in him. This is the same mighty power that raised Christ from the dead and seated him in the place of honor at God's right hand in the heavenly realms. Now, he is far above any ruler or authority or power or leader or anything else, not only in this world, but also in the world to come. God has put all things under the authority of Christ and has made him head over all things for the benefit of the church, us followers. And the church is his body, is made full and complete by Christ, who fills all things everywhere with himself. We got the power. As long as we would just understand it and start praying and displaying our faith in God through prayer, I promise you it will make a mark on everybody around us, okay? That's the first thing. Here's the second thing. Actions. We can make a profound mark on all kinds of people around us by displaying faith through our actions. And everybody knows that actions speak louder than what? Yeah, so if you're one of those people who's praying and you got faith in your prayer, but then you totally go out and blow it with your actions, there's a really good chance you're going to negate all of the hard work.